Joining me now is Umesh Sachdev, Uniphore's co-founder and CEO. Umesh, welcome to the New York Stock Exchange.
Well, thank you, Ashley. Great to be with you on the show.
So great to have you. Congratulations. So you were invested in by Nvidia, NYSE listed Snowflake, AMD, and others. That is rare and big news for those companies to team up like that to support a business. What do you attribute that to?
Well, clearly it's a very exciting day for all of us at Uniphore. And I'd say it's a very exciting day for the business AI community, because what this day, our Series F round, validates is the strategy that Uniphore has had of deploying a sovereign open platform to drive adoption of agentic AI in large businesses. And I think this is coming of age. The whole ecosystem is realizing that what Uniphore does is very unique. We play at the tip of the spear of AI adoption in businesses, and we are the ones who put it all together. GPUs, compute, data, and applications in a single platform, which is sovereign and open, and that's why this round is so special.
How do you plan to allocate the capital?
Well, look, we are in a very furious R&D cycle right now. All of the companies in AI are innovating furiously, and Uniphore is no exception. We practice a very customer-centric innovation philosophy. Over 2,000 customers of ours constantly guide us on the areas they want us to innovate, et cetera. And this Series F, $260 million that we've raised, is going to be a shot in the arm of our R&D engine and allow us to move even faster than we've done in the past.
And for those who are just learning about Uniphore, tell me, what problems are you solving for, and what are some of the use cases?
We are an end-to-end data and AI platform meant to serve large businesses. We serve over 2,000 large businesses, several of which are Fortune 500, several of which are NYSE listed companies, some of the largest banks, insurers, telecom service providers, retailers, etc. What we allow them to do is, using our platform, bring all of their data together, use it to fine-tune models, AI models, and then ultimately build AI agents to drive automation within their companies. So whether it's an insurer trying to automate an end-to-end claims process and replacing the manual work with AI agents, or it's a financial services house trying to drive efficiency in their collections process, all of these use cases are today being powered by the Uniphore data and AI platform, which we call the Business AI Cloud.
And AI is moving so fast. How do you think the evolution of it is changing the way that companies work?
Well, clearly, on the innovation side, the technology is moving at a pace that I haven't seen in my 2 decades worth of career. Models are being innovated on, GPUs are being innovated on, the whole stack. And that's what Uniphore specializes in. We put it all together in a single platform, which is sovereign and open. And that allows large businesses without complexity to start adopting agentic AI with confidence. But more importantly, Ashley, if we keep this innovation, take the complexity out, this innovation cycle is leading to what I call the age of abundance. We are seeing early signs of agentic AI deliver dramatic efficiency and economic growth to our clients. We are seeing insurers in processes like claims see up to 300% efficiency because AI agents are able to come in and offload some of the work from our human colleagues. We are seeing big banks in their collections process see up to 50% efficiency. So we are not yet at a point where this agentic AI has gone wide into the enterprise, but we are beginning to see very deep adoption in specific use cases, and it feels like we're just at the cusp of that avalanche of these use cases.
If we're just at the cusp, where do you see this going in the next 5 years?
Well, at a macro, like I said, I'll repeat myself, I think we are entering an age of abundance. And this age of abundance is more about driving dramatically higher growth for companies, for countries, for economies. I personally, given what I see right now with a customer base of over 2,000, just seeing how we are growing, we are doubling ourselves at this scale. We doubled ourselves last year, current financial year, we're doubling ourselves, and we're not a small company anymore. Our customer base is likely to double very quickly and then double again, which means from where I sit, I won't be surprised if in the next 3 to 5 years, we are beginning to get comfortable with the US GDP growing at over 5% consistently. That is the power of agentic AI that we are about to experience in the broader economy.
What's next for Uniphore?
Well, we've been, again, very focused on driving value for our over 2,000 customers. We've been innovating in-house. We've announced about a month ago 2 acquisitions. So we are very focused on making sure our clients are constantly seeing value, and whatever direction it takes us to deliver that value, we're engaged in that. So look, this is our Series F round. It puts us as a late-stage, high-growth startup headquartered in Silicon Valley. After this round, the total capital the company's raised is over $850 million. And I think as we continue to steer the company with high growth, at some point, becoming a publicly traded company would be a milestone that we are working towards.
All right. Umesh Sachdev, thank you so much for joining us from Uniphore. Great news.
Thank you for having me.